Mazda Miata reaches supercar territory. The Rocketeer MX-5 Keiryo, the Mazda Miata has long been celebrated as an accessible performance car, proving that driving enjoyment doesn't require a six-figure price tag. However, Rocketeer, a UK-based automotive workshop, has taken that philosophy to an extreme with the MX-5 Keiryo, a Restamod that rivals the performance figures of iconic supercars like the Ferrari F40. The Keiryo, a lightweight powerhouse, the Keiryo boasts a remarkable power-to-weight ratio, generating 370 horsepower from a highly modified Jaguar 3-liter V6 engine while weighing just 850 kilograms, 1,873 pounds. This puts it in direct competition with high-end performance vehicles such as the Ferrari F40, Lamborghini Huracan, and McLaren 620R. The engine itself is a testament to automotive engineering, evolving from a Ford Duratec design, refined by Porsche, and ultimately enhanced with Cosworth heads. Rocketeer doesn't just drop the engine into the chassis, it meticulously rebuilds and reinforces each unit for maximum performance, weight reduction, and limited production, while the exact methods remain undisclosed. Rocketeer has managed to significantly reduce the car's weight, achieving an impressive 850-kilogram target. Only 10 units of the Keiryo will be produced, with the first customer car currently under construction and deliveries scheduled for next year. A more restrained touring spec is also available, though pricing remains undisclosed. The Miata's enduring appeal. The Miata's appeal isn't simply about raw horsepower. It's about the pure driving experience, agility, connection, and fun. The community surrounding the MX-5 further reinforces this ethos, welcoming newcomers and fostering a culture of modification and enjoyment. A new chapter for an icon. Rocketeer's Keiryo doesn't abandon the Miata's core principles, it amplifies them. The car remains playful and lightweight, but now delivers supercar-level performance. This demonstrates that the Miata's spirit can be reimagined while retaining its fundamental charm. The Keiryo represents a new chapter in the Miata's history, proving that the platform remains a fertile ground for innovation. When it hits the roads next year, it's expected to redefine the boundaries of what a Miata can achieve.